bulk edit, filter, sorting and column selection. In the previous video, you have learned how to present the result with different colors and sizes. In this video, you will learn how to filter, sort, and hide columns in the report. In the bulk edit window, you can generate queries to filter based on the selection set. There is also an option to modify the property values of filtered records. Using the column option, you can hide columns that are not required, and you can change column order. Using the sorting option, you can do multiple column sorting. You can apply sorting either in ascending or in descending order for each column. Right-click on the drawing window. Under the table menu, you can select entities you want to edit, filter, sort. You choose junction in this example. Bulk edit node window will open. Here you can find options to sort, list required columns, and filter based on query and record listing based on selection set. To do column sorting, click on the sort button. Then in the sort window you can select the columns which you want to sort and add to the list. You can set the sorting order to each column. To display select or hide specific columns, click on Columns button in Select Columns window. There are two grids: Columns List and Selected Columns. All selected column parameters will display in Records window. To remove columns from list, select parameter in Selected Columns list and then click on less than sign button. Then if you want to change selected columns order, use up and down button after selecting parameter to move the order. Once list is prepared as per your requirement, click on Apply button and close the window. After some changes in column, if you want to retain original selected columns, then click on Default button. It will restore the default selected columns. To filter records from the selected selection set, click on the triple dotted button. Then create a filter name in the window that appears. Then, create query using parameter and operators. Then click on Apply button. Then close the window. Then in Bulk Edit node window, select Selection Set and Filter Name. Then click on Apply button. Now it will list records based on query. When you select filters, the program will display only records which is true based on query. In the following video, you will learn numbering junctions after design. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +9 19 4495999709 or book online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.